Look at me, yeah, yeah. Remember when they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself, you can't look at me, look at me. Yeah. You made me. Yeah. Look at me.
What up? What's good with y'all? Yeah, so since you guys seem to be loving these ride-along videos, I don't know if y'all loving the cars or if y'all just loving the girls or whatnot. Hopefully you guys are loving both. I don't want y'all here for the wrong reasons. On a serious note, we have another ride-along today. I'm always down to do ride-alongs. I love giving people ride-alongs, and today we actually have a girl that's in the car scene. I've been knowing Priscilla for a cool little minute. She's been drifting for a long time. She has an S13 coupe, so we're finally giving somebody a ride that's not just like, hey, it's clickbait, I want to get a ride because it's a cute girl in a fast car and I know people are going to view it. We actually have somebody that's into cars. I'm pretty sure she's been in some fast cars because, like I said, she is into drifting. She's around cars all the time, so I'm not sure what the fastest car she's rode in, but we'll get that information from her once we get there. But SC's warming up. We'll get there and chop it up with Priscilla in a little bit, but let's head over there because as soon as I'm finished with this, I'm actually about to be going on the boat with my cousin, so that's why I decided to do this early morning and get this out the way. That way later in the day I can go chill with the fam bam. So let's get over there, let's get this out the way, and hopefully let's go have some fun. Just pulling up and we have Priscilla right here. What's up, girl?
I was riding on Filipino time.
Yeah, she 8:30. It's damn near 10 o'clock already.
No,
it is. Let me see.
It's 9.
That ain't 8:30. We ask everybody, what's the fastest car you rode in?
It was probably a LS swapped FD.
LS swapped FD. LS3, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
How much power did it make?
About 500.
About 500? All right, cool. So you've been in some fast stuff before?
Yeah.
Was it fast?
It was pretty fast.
Did it make your butthole pucker? Like?
No, because I'm not scared.
That's what I said. I was like, Priscilla done rode in some fast shit, so I'm like, she ain't about to have that scared reaction, but
no, but
like,
I'll probably be really giggly. I laugh a lot when
it's good.
It's fun.
Well, since you got me all late already, let's jump in and get this thing started. You gotta pull. Old door, come on, yo. You know that's an old jammy. You got the gaskets and everything. Yeah, don't sit on the GoPro. Have the GoPro going up her butt. Upload that footage to Pornhub.
OnlyFans. The clickbait.
For sure.
I was like, Ty, let me borrow a tank top. She's like, what kind? I was like, I know, a clickbait tank top. Didn't they used to have meats out here? Like,
they did across the street.
Yeah. They don't do meats there anymore?
Nah, not since the Rona did.
Oh, not. Oh, wait a minute.
Definitely losing traction.
This is definitely going to be the fastest car I've been in.
E85 at the same boost level, when I was on E85 and 91, I made about 60 more horsepower at the same boost with E85 than I did with 91. With no change other than fuel. Because with E85, you can throw more timing and make the tune more aggressive. But on 91, you have to like listen for detonation it. So the combustion temps are a lot higher on 91 than E85. E85 is like almost like coolant to your combustion chambers. Like it keeps everything cooler inside. Drifting my K's like you keep going. Clutch kicking the fuck out of it. It's like this.
Like 5 clutch kicks.
Coming across a sweeper. Never hit the limiter. Just trying to keep that sliding. Alright, so thoughts. What do you think?
It's pretty crazy. I didn't know it was to the point where we would lose traction on like even 3rd gear.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it'll definitely spin. Like that's why 4th, because it had on my way to you it like broke loose in 4th, so now it's like, well, I ain't trying to risk her life and put her in danger. Plus there's more traffic, so I was like, let me ease into it in 4th.
No, and you're a crazy ass driver.
Hey, we didn't do that.
Went down.
We didn't do that. Jeez. You work for the feds? You snitching, yo? Why you snitching?
I'm not. I'm just telling your followers. They're the ones who are
snitching. She tattletelling. Yeah, so if you need to get your car wrapped, just holler at my boy Paradox. Ooh, look at that pearl. Ooh, you want to wrap now or what?
Maybe.
Not. I used to be hella anti-wrap, but it's so practical. Like it's hella more practical. Like it only takes a couple days to do. No downtime. When you get it back, your interior ain't all stuff from the body shop. So
yeah,
it's like you can change it whenever you want to.
For real. Doesn't it last a little longer?
I mean, for drifting, it'll be great. As soon as you hit a cone and rip or something, then it's like, all right, re-wrap it and be back in the game. And the color's always gonna match up too, so. A little tiny turbo.
Something light.
Something light. Something soft. Little something. Thank you for coming out, giving me some clickbait. Appreciate it. She wanted to emphasize that she ain't a car groupie. She wanted to let y'all know that she actually be skidding it. So I'm gonna make her send me some of her clips and I'm gonna add them to the video so y'all can see that she actually be getting down. She be out here
In my KA.
in that KA. Let me see a clutch kick. Clutch kick.
What the fuck?
Clutch kick. How you clutch kick? Come on.
No, stupid.
Come on, let me see a clutch kick.
I look like I'm doing
That's a man, you said that's a soft clutch, yo. That's an OEM clutch. You gotta but for sure, thank you for coming.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Love you lots. Love you lots.
Bye. See ya.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fuck the niggas hating on. I've been on the come up. You can go to speed, but it's better if you run up. You can ride with a nigga, but I'ma give you a choice. If you really wanna holler, then I'ma give you a voice.